Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Today I'm back again. I will talk about how to train ourselves to trade properly using a very basic strategy. This strategy will be a core to reach a more advanced and sophisticated strategy. As a beginner, mostly we don't know how to start. When we already have a knowledge and understanding about trading terminology, the next thing is it will be train ourselves to analyze the market. To step into this level, make sure we are mentally prepared. Remember to use a demo account during this phase. You will hit a lot of stop losses. Emotion will be affected. But don't worry when we experience this one. This is the hardest challenge in this phase. Every successful trader will have to go through all of this, including me. We need a lot of patience. We learn to find statistics in a very conservative way. To have a good result, everything should be under a predefined rule. So we don't just do it randomly, but we have to make a rule before we start. We grow the rule along the time methodically. We can use other strategies, but in this phase, we need more guidelines based on our experience. A mentor will be a good one, but the mentor should be able to follow your progress. Since such a mentor is hard to find, we can only rely on ourselves. If we can train ourselves methodically, a mentor won't be necessary. But we need to have a guidelines. This content is all about the guideline. Trading is about discipline and transparency. The discipline means you have to follow the rule. So we need to create our rules before we start trading. Before a rule is created, we need to learn our instrument. Observation is needed and basic technical analysis is required. We don't need advanced skill to analyze the market. Our skill will improve automatically over the time. So we just pick an instrument that we can understand. It really needs patience. I will pick Euro USD for the example. Since I do my homework, I understand Euro USD is the most traded currency. Spread is among the lowest. As a beginner, we don't need to bother to monitor different time frames. Our focus will be creating the rule. It won't be instantly profitable, but it will get improvement through our enhancements with our own experiences. This is the method of training I have been using for years. Let me pick 5-minute chart as our trading chart. Remember, we try to build skill rather than looking for profit this time. As a beginner, skill is the most important thing. Profit will follow us later. There are many ways to enter the market. To make it simple, I will pick the easiest ones, which is a range breakout. Following is the rule. We have to switch to 5-minute chart. We look for a range. A range is where the price is moving up and down in the latest support and resistance. When the price closes above the resistance, open long position. When the price is close below the support, then we open short position. The distance between two support and resistance will be considered as our market range. In short, MR. Our target profit will be 1 times MR. The stop loss will be 1 times MR plus instrument spread plus 10 points. Now we have the complete rule already. Next, we have to use it with discipline and train our mentality. Observe our emotions during trading. This is what we need to conquer. First, we need to do backtesting. Don't bother with the result first. We also need to do live trading to practice our eyes and decisiveness to execute the plan, overcome our greed and fear, training our eyes and fluency to execute the plan. This is what we are looking for. Ignore the result first. Let me try to show you how to learn the range breakout by backtesting. I will try for 1 month. We do this to train our perspective. We ignore the result. It will be horrible, but it is also a process to build our mental strength. Okay? Now I will show you how to identify a range. Basically, we need to identify support and resistance. When we are still not sure, we try to look at the high and low. High, low. Based on current chart, you can see there is rejection area. The rejection areas are support or resistance. When it happens above, it is resistance. When it happens from below, is support. The area between the closest support and resistance can be identified as market range. So, from all definitions, we can identify a range. This is a range. This is also a range. We have a lot of range here by using this rule. Okay. Next, we try to find when to open long and short positions. As defined by our rules, when the price closes above the resistance, we open long position. When the price closes below support, we do short position. Okay. This is the thing we need to train when to open and close position. Of course, there will be a lot of false signal, so we have to be very careful to identify, and we learn the pattern to have a better signal. I will try back testing for one last month. Started from 1st July. Based on the high and low, we got the price close above the range. So open a long position here. Target will be 1 MR. The stop loss will be here. Plus spread and 10 points. It will be around here. We got a winning signal here. The next will be 1. Yeah. Target here. Got a losing signal. This one. Our target. Our stop loss. Got a signal. Okay, I will just show you how to identify range for 1 month. Okay, we have seen all the range happen for Euro USD. We will make a summary and we will try to refine the rule. That's all for today. Next time. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.